Hi, I am Larman Madrilejos, your math teacher. If you have math questions or problem, shoot me an email. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you.
Hello. Angle, bisector, and median. Okay. So what does it mean? We have triangles here. It means our triangle is bisected on the middle that divides into two triangles. But those angles there, it means the measure angle of one is the same or equal or congruent with the same measure angle two. Okay. Another example, let's say I'll mark this as A, B, C, and I'm going to bisect this on the median, the center median. There you go. Let's pretend this is good. Now, this time after bisecting equally, it forms two triangles. So the first triangle, I'll put it as 1. Second triangle, I'll put it as 2. I'm going to mark this as D. This can be written this way. Measure angle BAD is equal or congruent with measure angle DAC. Okay, so that's the topic for this. So once the triangle is bisected in the median or in the center, the angles, the two angles that will form is going to be equal. A first question from our worksheet here. Measure angle 17. Measure angle 2 is equals to 17. Find measure angle 1. So if it's equal, so measure angle 1 is equal to measure angles 2. So it means this is also a 17. Okay. Question number 2. Okay. It says here, find measure angle TRS if measure angle 2 is equals to 35. If you're going to look at the picture, TRS is the whole. Okay? So what does it mean? So measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 is equals to measure angle TRS. So if this is measured angle 2 is 35, what's that? We know measure angle 1 and 2 are the same. So measure angle TRS is equals to 70. Okay. Question number 3. If measure angle G, E, and F is equals to 68, okay, looks like that's the total. Find measure angle 1. Okay, so if I have measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 is 68, okay, it means what I need to do here is just divide it by 2. Divide this by 2. So each one of those, okay, so 68 divided by 2, this is 34. So it means 34 plus 34 equals 68. Measure angle 1 is 34. Question number 4. Find measure angle E, G, and F if measure angle 2 is 24. Okay, the same concept. Measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 equals measure angle E, G, and F. So if this is 24, we expect that this is also 24. So your measure angle total is going to be 40 and 8. Thank you.